Hello students, today I am going to start a new course on C programming language. Before going into the basics of C programming language, first of all I want to tell you what is a programming language. By definition we can say a programming language is a language with the help of which we interact with computer. For example, we interact with each other in English or in Hindi or through any of the language. But can I interact with computer in English or in Hindi? Or can I say computer like, hey please calculate the percentage of 5 subjects? No. So to do that we require programs. Programs are small set of instructions. These set of instructions or programs are given as input to the computer to perform specific computations. Each programming language has its own syntax, own vocabulary and own semantics. So we can say as programming language as a mode of human computer communication. There are several types of programming languages like C, C++, Basic, Fortran, COBOL, Python, Java, etc. Now coming to the topic of types of programming language. Basically there are two types of programming language, low level and high level programming language. So before going into low level and high level programming language, I want to tell you that computer understands only and only machine level language in the form of zeros and one. So in whatever programming language we are writing a program, either in high level language or in assembly level language, we need a translator to convert it into machine level language. Now you will say, what is a translator? A translator is a set of program that converts source code into machine code. These are some of the translator that are used in programming language, compiler, interpreter and assembler, which we will discuss in further videos. So coming to low level programming language. In low level programming language, we use machine level and assembly level language. In machine level language, we create instructions with the help of zeros and ones. Now, if we want to perform 5 plus 4 with the help of machine level language, we have to write like this in the form of binary digits, zeros and ones. Maybe this can be 5 plus 4, this can be 5 plus 4, because machine level language depends upon the machine and each machine has different configuration, different architecture. So it is very difficult to understand, learn, remember machine level language. Now comes the assembly level language, in which we create instructions in the form of some of the mnemonics like add, sub, move. Add for addition, sub for subtraction, move is to move from one register to another register. So this assembly level language is somewhat easier than machine level language because we are using some of the mnemonics instead of these binary numbers. But again, it is very near to hardware or very near to machine level and it comes under low level language. So again, we require a high level language to write programs so that it can be easier. For assembly level language, we require assembler, that is a computer program to convert source code into machine code, or we can say we can convert assembly level language into machine level language with the help of assembler. Now again, with the help of assembly level language, it was very difficult to perform complex programs. So now comes the high level language. Actually, this is the hierarchy: hardware, then comes the machine level language, it is very near to hardware. Now comes the assembly level language, it's again very near to machine level language. Then after that comes the high level language, which is very close to human, or we can say this is human like language. In high level programming language, we use English language to create instructions. So it is very easier for the user to write or to learn programs in English like language. Again, in high level language, we require translator like compiler and interpreter to convert high level language or source code into machine code. Or we can say compiler and interpreter are used to convert source code into machine code. The high level languages are C, C++, Java, COBOL, Fortran, Python, etc. Now we will learn about C here. So in my further videos, I will tell you about the loops, about if else, pointers, arrays, and many others. Now we will discuss something about C. C is a programming language developed by Dennis Ritchie in early 1970s at Bell Laboratories for Unix operating system. That's why C and Unix are closely associated with each other. C is having a rich set of built-in functions and operators that can be used for complex problems. That's why C is also known as a robust language. These are some of the characteristics of C language. First is high level programming language. It's a high level programming language. That means it enables the user to concentrate on the problem at hand and not to worry about the machine code. C is having a reserved keywords 32 reserved keywords, so the size of C is very small. That's why it's also known as small like language. C is structured programming language which follows top to down approach. C facilitates bitwise programming and supports pointers which can refer to computer memory. With the help of pointers, we can refer to computer memories or arrays. So hence we can say C is a core language because many of the programming languages like C++, Java are based on C. So if we know C, it becomes very easier to learn other programming languages. Thank you.